Catch me with my niggas, what you got for it? Catch me with my niggas, what you got for it? What you got for it? What you got? I would die for it. I would die for it. I would never leave it. Don't come my way. Don't come my way. If you ain't know me, it's alright. I'm on my grind, chasing Zara. But to that belly, to that skin, my friends are blind. To that lips, to that sorry, better blind. Yeah, we wanna pass. Must be the room, 9 days, teacher season. Now we are. Now we are. Go get a life. The money always is living like we don't give a fuck. Give a fuck, we don't give a fuck. Catch me with my niggas, would you die for it? Catch me with my niggas, would you die for it? Catch me with my niggas, would you die for it? Would you die for it? Would you die for it? Catch me with my niggas, would you die for it? Catch me with my niggas, would you die for it? Catch me with my niggas, would you die for it? Would you die for it? Would you die? Check me with my wrist, nigga, I'm super raw. 100,000 on my neck, nigga, I'm raw. $500,000 in my hand, I don't know what it is, Rolex anymore. I don't fuck the same girls anymore. I get money, I get paid every day. Every nigga say that I'm super raw. Got $500,000 in my fucking car. I don't give a fuck about all these hoes. I don't fuck with them same niggas, no. Every nigga in the know I'm God. I'm God. I'm God.
Rico Beats.
Yeah, I ain't God. Yeah, I ain't. Catch me chillin' with my niggas, keep on rolling. Catch me chillin' with my homies, keep on rolling. All of my niggas around, all of my niggas are wild. My bitch is suckin' my dick and she grabbing my dick and I tell her, hold up, I'm on this face. She look at my face. I'm running so fast in the forest, I'm dead in the space. With cheese and cooking in the kitchen, all the niggas that I'm feeling. Now I'm high now. Fuck them niggas.